Hello, my name is Adelina Ramirez. I am currently completing my AA degrees in general studies. I am a toddler teacher at a daycare in Buena Park, so I do have to use my communication skills daily, whether it's with my coworkers or parents that I talk to. This is my first communication class that I have taken, and we discussed 4 different modules addressing the student learning objectives. I will explain and elaborate on my learning of effective communication skills. I want to begin by saying the principles and components of effective learning skills are more than just speaking well or even writing well. Communication with your audience is most important when they understand the message. This leads to the question of what it takes to be a great speaker. There are many factors to becoming a great speaker, such as clarity of tone, eye contact, confidence, and passion in what you are speaking in. You want your audience to clearly understand your message, therefore your tone of voice is most important. Eye contact is also very important when you are speaking, so that the people will think that you are having a conversation with them rather than just telling them about the topic. As well as confidence, is most important when delivering a message. Confidence within yourself for you to speak clearly with the tone of voice. Confidence will build trust with your audience, and confidence will also help you when you believe what you are speaking about. Your audience may have questions, so it's important for you to know how to understand and answer the questions correctly. Moving forward to Module 2, we discussed the essentials of public speaking in various settings. An essential to public speaking is how large the venue is going to be, how many people are attending. Being aware of the size of the venue will determine of how you prepare your tone of voice so that you can speak to people, and also how you're going to be looking at the people and using eye contact. Another major essential to public speaking is to learn if you are going to be speaking inside a venue or outside a venue. There are many differences to speaking inside and outside. When you're inside, your voice will echo, and it is stronger between 4 walls rather than being outside and you hearing cars or even small noises, and that can distract people. When you're speaking outside, you may need more time to prepare your voice. People also may get easily distracted when they're outside rather than being inside in 4 walls and there's nothing really to distract them. In Module 3, we discussed verbal and nonverbal communication skills. To keep an audience interest, nonverbal communication being the way that we convey messages with our emotions and without using words. This can be seen as facial expressions, gestures, eye contact, tone of voice, our posture, and how we stand close to one another. Some effective ways that we can maintain an audience interest is using positive communication skills. This can be seen as smiling when you're speaking to somebody, standing tall with your shoulders back, and speaking with a warm and enthusiasm voice. Another way we can maintain the audience interest is by organizing your message to use simple and direct language when you're speaking. Also, to confirm understanding, you need to make sure that you're asking your audience questions so they can understand the topic that you were speaking about. Lastly, in Module 4, we learned how to apply our technology as an aid to present clear and precise oral presentations. This means a slideshow or charts or pictures, or also with words on your presentation. The first thing to make sure is to check your resources to be sure that it is reliable and credible information. This can be done by checking the author's dates or trusted websites. I have always been taught to check the URL and make sure it is governments, and just make sure that it's something that is credible information. The second thing is to add photos or charts that adds relevance to the message being given. Please make sure that the message that you're putting or the charts is also what you are speaking about and not something that goes off topic. The photo or chart needs to be easily understood so people do not lose track of your words and just begin to just look at the chart and not understand what you are saying. Learning to be a great speaker takes confidence and patience. Communication also takes practice, and practice will help you conquer fear. Knowing your topic will help you flow better in your speech, and a good PowerPoint slide will help bring ideas to your audience by maintaining interest. Thank you so much for listening.